Guys, all this right through the water. Oh God. Ah. Shit. Wow, look at this view, guys. Wow. Wow. Whoa. 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 Look at this. Wow. Alright, one time now. Step forward, step forward.
One forward again.
Chandel. Alright. Alright. Chandel. Hey.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
What's up? What's up?
Hi.
So today we are in for a full day and we're probably going to again, right? Cause outside I keep again and we have to enjoy. Alright, so today we're at Yaman Adventure Park. Can I hear it for Yaman?
Yay!
Yaman.
Ocho Rios. Ocho Rios, Jamaica.
Yeah.
So
this place full of adventures and activities. You know,
Dirt
ATV
bike.
tour, right? Moon buggy, all a trolley tour, me see.
yeah.
Some culinary things.
Yeah.
Them have river.
we are doing
Bag
everything.
of things, them have all bird aviary, you know. Fear things, people. Alright. Yeah, so we're gonna get changed up
Yeah.
because it'll be a muddy day today. A
And
wet
you guys
day.
are coming along.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are
All
enjoying
right.
to the fullest.
Yeah, guys. So stay tuned. Each person, everybody have to feel it alone. Yes, exactly. Just at the ball there, now look at the ball there.
Ooh.
Wow, guys, this is inside their aviary. Look at them, beautiful, right?
Don't trust them, man.
And this one.
What's
Oh,
in
I
come?
like that
In
one.
come?
Aww. Them thing will have feet.
Parakeet or
there's a
something
yellow
like
one.
that. Yeah.
Wow. You're cute. I like you. You're so cute. All of you guys are cute.
Woof.
Oh, look at this one. Blue, grey and black.
Three of us gonna go ATV and then Cass and Jaden gonna use the moon buggy. Yeah, because the moon buggy is 2-seater, the ATV them are 1-seater. Yeah man, so we're just waiting for them to the tour guys to come back. Yeah, protective equipment.
Oh, you create a while ago?
Yeah.
No, wait, wait, no.
Alright, ATV fuck.
Who for ATV?
Must up my hairstyle, people. Everybody needs to get home?
Yeah, yeah. Alright. Yeah.
Hey guys!
Hey guys. We're going down there.
So we are in the I can't tell you what it is, but we're in a 2-seater, other guys are in a 1 thingy. I don't know what they're called, but we'll tell you later. Later!
People, may I tell you say, yo.
Guys! Let me see if I can find babe. That's babe. That's babe. That's babe. Yeah, we are on it, babe. Monday. You see him taking all our lovely pics that we are sure to get.
Hello. Hello.
Who's that?
Hello.
Who is that? Hi, baby.
Hey.
Enjoying yourself?
How is the day so far?
It's been good. It's just that I have a crazy person beside me.
Yeah.
He's a crazy partner.
Alright.
He told me I have to go fast and turn over. Like what? What? For their life and telling me to drive faster. Can you imagine? What the hell? What are you, a maniac? He's a maniac, guys. He is a full-fledged maniac. Wants me to go faster, right? Huh?
Hey! Yeah. You good? Holy shit! Whoa! Whoa! Guys, don't say right through the water. Oh God! Straight through them here going on. Oh shit! Whoa! Watch out! Alright, we are the side way. Gas it up! Gas it up! Gas it up! Gas it up!
See there? I know I get wet, you know, but the water can always wet him because he has a desire, but I don't have that desire. I don't have that desire there. I'd rather stay dry. Oh my God.
The people on the 2-passenger vehicle, them on a different convoy. So that's the ATVs are by themselves, you know. So Cass and Jaden, them there. Oh, probably at them this now come. Oh, here they are. Here they are. Yeah. Here they are, guys. Here they are. Here they are. Here they are. Yeah. Huh? What him do? He want to go fast so you can get wet? Oh. Okay. Whoa. Wow, look at this view, guys. Wow. Wow. Whoa. 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 Woo.
but I had fun.
What you say, Jenna? Eh?
I want to let you move when you come show, but they say 1 million ago. Let me see the can you go to some yes.
Right, after that something.
You catch on fast, you never want to
Hello.
Right?
It's a camel tour and river now?
Tour now and then the river.
Okay.
So the experience so far.
Great.
It was good.
Awesome.
I'm a crazy person, but it was good.
Alright, so you know that Yaman Adventure Park is also a part of Dolphin Cove Limited. So this is our culture and adventure park, separate from the dolphin swimming dolphin experience. So here we have the bird aviary, love birds, where you can feed the birds in your hand. We have our lovely jitney tour.
Yeah.
Takes you onto a lovely great house. We have a cooking tour, which you will also do, where you cook the Jamaican real jerk chicken fry festival.
Yeah.
And the wet and dirty buggy that splash you, have fun. You have the ATV.
We see.
Over 1,000 acres. We have river falls. So yeah, and only place in Jamaica that has camels. So you are going to have a wonderful experience.
Okay, only place in Jamaica that has camels.
So probably this is the place I came when I was smaller then.
Maybe. You came, your camels when I was smaller? Okay.
So it definitely has to be here.
All
so let's
right.
go on the jitney right now.
Yeah.
Take it to the camel and then to the river.
Alright.
Okay.
Riding what they call a jitney. To the camel park and the river. Yep.
Camels, guys. So this is our second adventure.
Keep your hand.
The only place that has camels in Jamaica, right? This is the only place that has camels in Jamaica?
That's what you're supposed to do.
Okay. Okay. Jesus Christ, Jaden. Just put your foot in the harness and go up.
Alright, put one foot up now. Don't put your foot in the harness.
Amanda, go closer now. You're there behind. Yeah.
1 foot over first.
More foot go right in it, so.
Yes, so you do it, fix it. Grandma.
He said 1 foot over first.
Grandma.
Hold on the pole. The pole is there. Hold on the pole.
Alright.
Put in both. Put in.
Go on up, babe. Go on up. Oui.
Hi, baby. How you doing? Take care of mama, alright? Take care of me, okay?
Yeah, alright.
Okay, put in my foot.
Hold this for me, mommy. Hold this for me.
Hi, how are you? Hold on this?
Yeah.
God, go with me.
Wait.
God, go with me. Wow, they are tall though.
Yeah, high up, man. High up.
Guys, we high. No, sir. Not a donkey na ISO.
Hold the camera. Talk peak.
Guys, not a donkey na ISO. You want to see we? Half ground. No, look on these people. No, look. It's an experience. It's a vibe. We are experiencing it. What you say? Yeah, people. See hubby behind me? How is it, baby?
I hold on, you know?
we're
Literally.
Literally. But Cindy, I take care of me.
The soothing ride.
Yeah, this is Cindy. And she's taking care of us. Ooh, see Mandy there.
Yeah, guys, so what I'm calling the trolley.
From your father's side.
Trolley just drop we have, guys. So We're on our way down to the river now. You know, see what's up, you know?
I feel like Gage doesn't go on and on.
Yeah, in frisky. Jaden frisky.
I feel like set the boundaries. Jaden, where's your father's side again? Chinese side.
They call it Secret River. Jaden, don't go to the edge. Wait. So we're gonna go down there. It's a falls and all that.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, remember when you come up here?
No, we never come here before. We never came here before, Jaden. This is our first time.
You know, that baby, I think I did come up here.
No, Jay, it's not here.
It's here then.
I'm not sure what. Not here. Oh, blue hole you're talking about?
Yes.
Oh, blue hole. Yeah, it looks similar to blue hole.
It looks just like.
Yeah, it does look just like blue hole for true. Yeah, you remember that?
Yes.
Many years ago, you know, and I don't know, probably 4 years ago.
Not 4 years ago. That was when I was a baby.
No man, you never so small because you could have walked and so. Oh, nice waterfalls. You know, coming right out of the hills. Look at that. So we're gonna grab our life jackets and then head into the river, guys. Yep. Place look nice, secluded. Yep, yeah guys, Yaman Adventure Park. It's a nice little place. Well, in a little still, it's huge actually, but it's a nice place. Jaden, where to leave your slippers? Wait, probably we're not going up here. Hey.
Hello. I'm just watching people going there.
I'm not sure if we're going in from right here, Jay. Tourists? I'm kind of cold. This water is not cold. This is not cold. This is not cold yet.
I'm looking to see where I can sit.
They can sit on this one. Go over there, so in the...
Oh. Look at this. Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Come on over here. Alright, one time now. Step forward, step forward.
One forward again.
Left in the never realized what I'm doing. Let's go on back. Come.
You're alone, son.
Wow, it's nice.
Okay, I'm sorry guys, but now it's up my ear. Nah, no. But I did it was fun. I don't know why I get to hear them, you know? Woo! Alright, come on.
Jaden, you coming? You coming? Come now.
You're not video yet?
Come.
Wait.
Wait, turtle. Look at you, turtle. Look at you.
Hello.
May I go there?
I go on.
No, we're not ready. You guys seen this? Alright, you can do it. I can do it. I can do it. Alright, I can help you.
Please.
Push you?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that was so Alright, I can do it. I can do it. Oh, there you go.
Move it.
Ow! Yeah, video me.
Wait, is there no one coming out of the water?
I've been chilling.
Come man, you're too coward. Too coward man. Come. Ah, come from my back.
Like that's worse. That's worse.
Alright, ready?
I've done 2. Ready? 1, 1.5. Ready?
Ready?
Yeah, ready long time.
Again, 5.
Alright.
1.
5, 4, 3, 2.
What? Go,
Mandy! Oi.
Go, Mandy!
We did wrap up.
Hey guys.
Yeah guys. You know.
Been a fun day.
Yeah man Adventure Park.
Yeah.
Yeah man, you guys should definitely come check it out. Ocho Rios.
Yeah.
Alright. We put a link to their website in the description. Alright. So if you like this video, definitely hit the thumbs up button. Alright.
Yes. Subscribe.
Yes.
Hit that notification bell guys so you know every time we drop a video.
Alright, and share the video with a friend. Alright. Jamaica is very beautiful. This is a hidden attraction. Alright. Share with a friend. Alright guys. Thank you. Bye.